Hi, today we are going to see how to create a website on Google. On your computer, go to the browser. I am using Google Chrome. Into the Chrome, go to the search bar and type sites.google.com. After the new interface has come, you have to click on blank. You can also choose from this template gallery. Then a new interface will come. Here you have to give your page title. I am using demo. You can use your page title or something. After that, you can add text, you can add image which will be uploaded from Google Drive or your computer, and you can also choose layout, that how your image will be shown, and there is a page that your page will be shown, and you can select here new page, new link or new menu section. After that, in the theme section, you can custom your themes or you can choose from the templates. Here I am giving some demo. You can also share with others. If you click on publish, then your web page will be published. Before publishing, you have to give your website name. I am giving a website name, and after that you have to click published. Here is your website that has been published. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.